Fresh out.
Beam out,
My boy home, boy.
Big one, the big one.
Yeah.
Yo, what it do? It's your boy Buck Breeze, Mr. No Slacking himself. No slacking involved. It's bad for your health. I'm a shake boy, shake time. Know what I'm talking about? Just can't hit y'all with a little something fly and slide, man. I got some shit that I gotta do, as you should too, you dig? Yo, we're gonna jump right into this. So yo, your boy Ralo home, man. See your boy Ralo home. They say he on some wild shit. They say he done pulled up in the hood with a helicopter and all that. You know what I'm saying? So you already know time is money, man. We can't get $1 back. So we're going to jump right into this and see what's really good with it. Let's see what's popping with this dude, man.
Yeah, just put on Future Hendrix. Love to my hometown, Atlanta. Got you.
Now he goes back to the hood being released with a helicopter. Look at that shit. You gotta respect it.
Hell, baby.
That's a good feeling when a homie can come home and still stuck like this. That boy must have put some bread away for real.
Hell, baby. What's up, baby? Oh, history, baby. History. We here. Look at Johnny Cabell, man. Look further y'all. Look at Johnny Cabell, man.
Hey, y'all better book them shows. Y'all better hit me
up.
up.
Book them shows, man.
Y'all better hit it up.
We here, baby.
Yeah, book them shows, Ralo home.
We here. The history right here, man. History.
So long,
Can't even turn it. You got a bag of sit time. Shit right here, huh? Look at Johnny Cabell in the crew, man. Look at it, man. Hold on. Y'all better get on them. The price just went up.
Oh, yeah.
Look. He said, yeah. You heard him? He said, yeah. Oh, man, he here.
Keep coming. You gotta get out the car first.
Boy's got a stretch limo over there.
Get my boy, man.
Is that the nasty stretch limo over there? Oh wee.
We outside today.
They got a couple toys out there.
We outside today. What's up, nigga? We outside today. No, it's a national holiday. It's a national holiday.
for real.
You said Ralo home. It's a national holiday.
What's up, bro? What up, baby?
Y'all know what's going on.
Show that boy some love. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you do when you come home. When you come home, you pop out with all the guys, pull a limo up, bring the helicopter out. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do that shit, man. Don't play around with them, man. Hurry up, man.
Come on, Johnson. Hey, y'all stand back, please.
That limo. That shit nasty right there.
Y'all back up.
1 second.
It's a Maybach limo or some shit. Look how tall the limo is. The limo bigger than homie right here. He the other dude. That shit's crazy.
Hey, yo. Go back for me. Right here. All right, 1.
That boy must have put some serious bread away. Like, for real, though.
This one right here.
They thought the feds took everything, huh? I guess the feds ain't take it all.
All right, 1, 3, 1, 2, ready? You good? One more. 1, 2, ready? Hey, look, Bankhead. Oh.
Let me get one before I go real quick.
Let Bankhead get one with you right quick.
He said, hold up.
Fuck this something out.
How y'all feel about that? How y'all feel about the whole Ralo shit?
Come on, y'all.
Huh?
Oh, I ain't see
Some
cut
people
though.
try to say the boy was snitching. Some people try to say they ain't like how he did certain things or some shit. Know what I mean? Said some shit, whatever the case was. How you feel about that? Jump in the comments. I'm happy he home. That's what's up. You know what I'm saying?
Everybody out here, man. The whole family. The whole family out here, man. Even the helicopter.
Got the whole family out there.
We gotta make sure you get it. I'm not gonna get one.
Oh, you take with your mom? You take with your mom?
Yeah. I took some money.
That's how you do it.
We done made the gas station the block.
Niggas shut down the old gas station. I know he had the helicopter pull up at the gas station.
Okay, so we just drove like an hour on the damn expressway, get up to the
Yes, sir. Whole crew, man. We here, baby.
The whole crew.
We here, baby.
Black flag shit, huh? Okay.
Hey, I'm finna go away. Just send it to my mom. I don't want to get blocked in,
I
man.
already know you ain't trying to get and get in the meat.
I'm finna get blocked in. That's why I'm finna
How
go
you
move
gonna
my
start? You
car.
doing that shit the right way.
I know.
You doing that shit the right way for real.
Look at Look at my boy.
What kind of stretch is that, y'all? Somebody jump in the comments. What kind of stretch is that? That ain't no Ford, nigga. That ain't no Yukon, nigga. What that say in the back right there? See that right there? Somebody can see some. Jump in the comments.
We here, baby. Let's talk about a lookout now.
You talking about what?
They been out here too. 3 hours
Here,
in.
man. We out here. We been with this
I'm about to see what that is. He done pulled up in now.
I seen you earlier. What up?
Hey.
You know we got pocket watch this shit a little bit.
This shit real video on.
See, bring the guys out. Got a couple cars out, you know what I mean? A couple toys out. Like he probably brought half the town out right there. Like half the city probably came out for the boy. Half the city that means something at least.
Let me see one. You can wait for that little break on.
A whole bunch of butt in the air everywhere.
Show more in the bill.
On Ralo, man. Y'all know what's going on. Oxy, top seat, 12, can't stop a goddamn.
What's up? Everybody here, man. The whole support, man.
Everybody there.
We here.
Back home, man. Let go.
Everybody out here. Gonna pull out the black carpet, man.
Everybody live.
Where them rapping niggas at though?
You gotta pull out the black carpet, man.
They ain't pulling out the black carpet for my boy. Yo, all them rapping niggas at though? All of them, know what I'm saying? Where them niggas at?
Everybody out here. Look, man, y'all trying to look. This man need to holler. Yeah. Right there.
Get that. ASAP.
I'm gonna put your phone.
447980197.
Knock it up. Knock it up. Bag it up. Hey, go back. Everybody bag it up, man.
Shit, the way he holding this shit down, them niggas run around the black flag and all that. Shit, this shit looking like Million Man March out that bitch. You know what I'm saying? You already know Ralo be bringing them guys through for real. He's quick deep too.
Hey, y'all do me a favor, bag it up.
They got this nigga moving like the president. Black flag waving, huh?
Tell him again, Sean. Tell him again, Sean.
Going on outside. How's people going on?
Tell you what, he definitely got some believers in whatever the fuck he doing. He got some believers in that shit.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
You know he got some believers. My boy is out there in some motherfucking half of flip-flops. I don't know what the fuck them shit says he got on, but he out there with them shits on, waving a flag, nigga. That's how you know. That's how you know, nigga. This shit must be certified, nigga. That's what I need. I need my niggas to get out there with some motherfucking flip-flops, half of slippers, and be representing, man, with that no slack and shit. You heard me? Word up, man.
Allahu Akbar. Yeah. Yes, sir. We rich black people. You heard me? They don't need no profit.
You already know. That's how, you know how that is. The Muslim brothers be rolling deep, too. What, is half his clip Muslim? Jump in the comments. Is half his clip Muslim? Or is his whole clip Muslim? You know them brothers be rolling deep and like, don't be playing no games and all that. I wonder. Heard somebody say Muslim.
That one fool, bro. What's up, man? We here.
What's up?
We here, man. You smooth. We here. It's Lord right here, man. Look at these. I'm gonna show you about right quick. Look, man. Lord right here.
Whole gang outside.
Make sure it's yeah.
That folks at Ralo, jump in the comments.
Yeah. Bank.
Yeah, man. We out here, man.
What's your favorite Ralo song? Jump in the comments.
What's up, baby?
I don't know what it is. Fuck around, let a real one out. Woo! Go with them. Y'all better get right, man. The president is here. Black it is.
So it sound. It sound like.
Yes, sir. Y'all gonna take y'all side because we terrorize this nigga.
Hey, man. So somebody can grab it. I'm on the ship.
Oh, man, you.
I'm on the ship. Sweet, man.
Y'all breathe, my nigga. Y'all see what's going on, man. How y'all going with me?
No, I need my shit. Oh, okay. You about to play no games?
Hey, to my boy right now. You gotta look like you when you stop
Sick.
out. I'm telling you.
Yeah, that
You know what
shit.
I'm saying?
I be looking around thinking it's my shit.
Cameras out, don't you? Let's make a movie right here, baby.
Yeah, black flag waving. With the motherfucking,
Bags on the back right
I don't know what he got on his feet, my nigga. But yo, he hold it down.
What don't haters at, man? I don't haters ain't nowhere to be found, man. I don't hate.
Bag up, y'all bag up.
Is it like Crocs or some shit? I'm sorry, y'all know it'd be hard for me to get over certain shit. I be seeing some shit and I be like, what the fuck is that? And them fucking shoes got me like, what the fuck is that? Like, what the fuck? My man got on right here. What the fuck is that? Socks, nigga? He got on 3 pair of socks rolled up. Oh, this nigga Ralo got chicks throwing flowers down for him. Okay.
Real right now, man.
Real,
The
man.
black carpet. Look, he didn't do red carpet. He did the black carpet. Huh? Let's get it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My boy home, man. Joe.
Fresh out.
There you go.
That's what's happening.
Boy, fresh out.
My boy home, boy.
Big one, the big one.
Yeah, I'm gonna see it. Yeah, see it back here. Hello. I'm gonna see it now.
That space is a little room now. Shit. That's a little room.
I know he Muslim. Where his Muslim brothers at? Where the Muslim brothers at and all that? You know, with the joints on their head and all that.
Oh, man. Hey, man.
That's probably that's probably what that flag shit about and all that. The whole fit that they wear. That's probably their whole Muslim thing that they got popping. What y'all think, man? Jump in the comments, man. Y'all happy Ralo home or what? You know what I mean? How you feel? You feel like Ralo was on some bullshit? You feel like Ralo was on some real shit? How you feel about him? You know what I'm saying? Jump in the comments, man. Your boy is home. You know what I mean? If you fuck with him. You know what I mean? Yo, it's your boy, Buck Breeze. Mr. No Slacking himself. No slacking involved. It's bad for your health. I'm a shake boy, shake time. I'm talking about, can hit y'all with a little something fly and slide, man. I got some shit that I gotta do, as you should too. All my shakers, I need y'all to check in, man. Everything shaking, tap in with your boy. Let's go.